What's going on, guys? Well, today we're back on the Skyline. This video is for my R chassis and S chassis, guys, because we're playing with the fuel system. I'm going to do a little bit of a Radium fuel hanger upgrade on my GTST here. Reason for it is GTST S13, they both have metal gas tanks and they like to rust, which I addressed in a video a long time ago, like 2 years ago, but I'm still using the factory hanger, fuel pump hanger, which is was pretty rusty at the time. I tried to clean it up, and I'm pretty sure that it's falling apart in the tank right now. I hope it's not, but we're gonna pull out here in a minute and see what it looks like. But yeah, we're gonna replace that with Radium's fuel pump hanger. This thing, super sweet. Still have to put it together. There's a whole bunch of parts in this bag. I'll get to that here in a minute, and it'll actually allow you to run 3 fuel pumps too. But I'll get around to that in here in a minute. I'm gonna get that pump out, and we'll see what it looks like, and then we'll assemble this guy here. Not to get this everywhere, but when this thing looks pretty damn good. This thing was full of rust everywhere, and I used some of this rust cleaner. Can't remember what it's called right now, but it actually worked pretty damn well. This thing looks pretty damn good still. Cool. Zoom in real close to the hanger here. See how it's all pitted everywhere? This is just covered in rust. It's starting to rust again. But underneath it, it looked like hell. It was, see how rough this texture is? It's crazy. But I'm surprised it didn't, like, it's starting to come back. Get this thing out of here. So Radium provides you with everything you need to do this. It doesn't come with these wrenches, okay? You have to buy these separate. But here's the wiring for the specific pump, okay? When you order this thing, you order it for either the AEM pump or the Walbro, because they're going to give you these connectors that are going to plug right into here. Doesn't look so blurry, huh? This is super cool. This is actually the filter right here. Check this out. So we're actually going to get rid of this filter. Is actually going to replace this thing here. Okay. This is pretty neat. Look, this is super nice. So it does come with some A&N fittings here. Okay, I'm not doing A&N. I'm going to be using these guys here. You can see how it's labeled. Return pump. This is like just to get the regular hoses up to it. But that's cool. It comes with these A&Ns. All the electrical hardware and nuts. So the instructions are downloadable online, and they're in color, and they are really good to read. They have really good color pictures. This tells you exactly how to take the fuel pump out, how to build the hanger, how to swap everything, what you're going to need. This is pretty cool. So I want you to take that guy. So this is the inlet for the 3 pumps. I want you to plug this up with the plugs here. I'm going to only use one. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this up.
Laundry detergent by Whirlpool Corporation, with over 100 years of laundry appliance expertise.
the low level, the ground. Everything's labeled real nice. So we got level here. That's going to be this yellow wire here. Again, like that. This is the low level light right here. And I'll go like this. All right, check it out. Old one, new one. This one's actually worth more money than this one, but this one looks a lot better. You know, it's not gonna rust on me. Pretty cool. Good looking stuff.